Hello mga ka-Marksman, it's me, Teacher Marks, and in this video, you will learn how to do mental math in multiplication. So without further ado, let's begin. First example, how do you solve 57 times 8 using mental math? What if we have 2-digit number times 1-digit number? So this is what you need to do. You need to separate the 2-digit numbers into each digit value. In number 57, the value of 5 is 50 and the value of 7 is 7. By the way, if you have no idea about a value of a digit, I created a video about that. I will put the video link in the description below. So that means 57 is the same as 50 plus 7. And then you need to enclose these numbers using parentheses. And then just rewrite 8. Next, you need to distribute the 1-digit number outside the parentheses to the numbers inside the parentheses. 8 times 50, that is 400. And 8 times 7 is 56. Now, you can easily add this. 400 plus 56, that is 456. So that means 57 times 8 is equal to 456. That's how you can do mental math in multiplication. So just follow these steps. Next example. So we have 2-digit number multiplied to a 1-digit number again. So you just need to do what we did earlier. You need to separate the number 46 into each digit value. In number 46, the value of 4 is 40 and the value of 6 is 6. So that means 46 is the same as 40 plus 6. And then need to enclose these numbers using parentheses. And then just rewrite 3 outside the parentheses. Next, you need to distribute the number 3 outside the parentheses on the numbers inside the parentheses. So 3 times 40, that is 120. And 3 times 6, that is 18. And then for you to add this easily, you can separate the number 18 into each digit value. So it becomes 120 plus 10 plus 8. Because in number 18, the value of 1 is 10 and the value of 8 is 8. If you have no idea how to do mental math in addition, I created a video about that. I will put the video link in the description below. Now you can add this easily. So 120 plus 10, that is 130, plus 8, that is 130. So I hope that's clear. Next example. So now, we have 2-digit number multiplied to a 2-digit number with a 0 at the end. Here, we have different steps. So, you need to watch and listen to this video carefully. So, here's what you need to do. If you have 2-digit number that has 9 at the end, you need to break it into 2 numbers. The first number is 1 greater than the original number. And then, you just need to subtract 1 because 39 is equal to 40 minus 1. And then, you need to enclose this using parentheses and then just rewrite 70. And then, just like what we did earlier, you need to distribute the numbers outside the parentheses to the numbers inside the parentheses. So 70 times 40, that is 2,800. And 70 times negative 1, that is negative 70. Next, to subtract it easily, you need to get 100 from 2,800 so that you can easily subtract 70 from it. So, 2,800 minus 70 is the same as 2,700 plus 100 minus 70. Next, you just need to rewrite 2,700 and we know that 100 minus 70 is equal to 30. Now, you can easily add this. So, 2,700 plus 30, that is 2,730. I hope that's clear. Next example, this is the same as what we did here. So we have one number that has 0 at the end and another number that has 9 at the end. So, like what we did earlier, you need to separate 49 into 50 minus 1 so that you can multiply it easily. Next, you need to distribute the number outside the parentheses to the numbers inside the parentheses. So, 90 times 50, that is 4,500. And then 90 times negative 1, that is negative 90. And then, to subtract this easily, you can get 100 from 4,500. So it becomes 4,400 plus 100 minus 90. Next, you just need to rewrite 4,400 and then subtract 90 from 100. That is 10. Now, you can add this easily. 4,400 plus 10, that is 4,410. So, that's how we use mental math to solve this kind of problem. I hope that's clear. Next example, here we have a different problem. Here we have a 2-digit number multiplied to a 2-digit number. Here we have 2-digit number that has non-zero digit at the end, multiplied to a 2-digit number that has no 9-digit at the end. So we have different steps here. So you can break these digits into each digit value. So in number 63, the value of 6 is 60 and the value of 3 is 3. Times in number 78, the value of 7 is 70 and the value of 8 is 8. Now you can use FOIL method to answer this. Or you can just distribute the numbers in one parenthesis to the numbers on another parenthesis. So 60 times 70, that is 4,200. And 60 times 8, that is 480. Next, 3 times 70, that is 210. And 3 times 8, that is 24. Now, to add this easily, you can separate the number 480, 210, and 24 into each digit value. So, it becomes 4,200 plus, in number 480, the value of 4 is 400, the value of 8 is 80, and then you don't need to write 0 here, because any number added to 0 is the same number. And then in 210, the value of 2 is 200, the value of 1 is 10, and then the value of 0 is 0. But you don't need to write 0 here. And then in number 24, the value of 2 is 20, and the value of 4 is 4. Next step, you need to add the numbers with the same number of digits. Now, you just need to write 4,200 since it's the only number having 4 digits. And then, we need to add 400 plus 200, that is 600, and 80 plus 10, that is 90, plus 20, that is 110. And then, you just need to rewrite 4, since it's the only number having 1 digit. Next, you can separate 110 into each digit value to add this easily. Next, 4,200 plus 600, that is 4,800. And if you separate 110 into each digit value, the number 1 here has a value of 100 and the value of another one here is 10. And then you don't need to write the value of 0 here. And then you just need to rewrite 4. So now you can add this easily. So 4,800 plus 100, that is 4,900, plus 10, that is 4,910, plus 4, that is 4,914. So that means 63 times 78, that is 4,914. So that's how you can solve this kind of problem using this method. Anyway, please support me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube so that you are always updated with my new videos. Also, please like, comment, and share this video. If you truly understand this lesson, you can try to answer this one. You can type your answer on the comment section. Thank you for watching.